Alright, fine. Let me be honest with you. I want to show you how I turned a video like this into something like this. So, to be honest with you, it's not like I am the best cinematographer out there, or I'm not even considering myself as one of the best also. But the truth is, consistency is key. I have been trying to create awesome content, and today I want us to unbox this together. What about this? The next thing now is, oh my god! It's not a big deal. This is creative. So I didn't say this, but last year I got robbed. And when I got robbed, all my equipment, I lost them. I lost all my equipment. I lost everything I bought, everything I ever purchased with my money. I lost it. And alright, so what I had to do was, I never wanted to stop making YouTube videos because obviously, not like I have thousands of views on YouTube. I get 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000, 11,000. Sometimes I have 25 views, sometimes I have 20 views. I want to create more content. I mean, I'm not really interested in the views right now, but it's my way of, expressing myself. Right? Standing right in this front of this camera, saying things to the audience, maybe something crazy, and just telling them how I feel and how I create my awesome content. I mean, it's one thing you should understand is creating content. I mean, nobody needs to push you to create content. Just you need to derive joy in creating awesome content. Derive joy in doing that stuff. Hey, nobody's holding you back. It's just you in front of the camera. Do something awesome. Do something creative. Somebody out there wants to see that thing you're creating. The beautiful part of it is I have friends who support me, who says, hey guy, I love that video. Hey, it's true, friends could lie to you, but I mean, hearing the words that, hey, that's a great video, really inspires me to do more videos. So there you have it. Just don't stop. Keep creating that content. Keep doing what you are doing. Even if it looks like the world is falling apart right now, hey, listen to me. I'm right here watching you, and I want to see you create awesome content. So do not forget, subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn up your notification. That would be highly appreciated. That is one big way of supporting me. And also, join me on Instagram, say me hi, tell me you met me on YouTube, and we will be friends. Of course, I will look forward to creating videos with you. Do not forget, don't stop creating. I'll see you some other time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.